Today we are going to see about find the first two derivatives of x power 1 by 3 at x equal to 50 and x equal to 56 from the given table. So the given tables are given here, and the x's the values are given within the interval of 1. So 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Then y is in the form of x power 1 by 3. The values are given here. So now we want to find the first two derivatives, that is dy by dx and d square y by dx square in the form. So for that we have to put the difference table. So this is the x term and this is the y column, and this is the del power y, del y, and del square y and del cube y. The x is as it is given in the question and y also given in the question. So next what we have to find means we have to find a del y. So the difference between these two is 3.7084 minus 3.6840 is if we minus these two means we get this answer, and this two means we get this answer. Likewise also we have to continue this, and del square y can be found by subtracting these two values, 0.0241 minus 0.0244. So if we subtract these two means we get these values, and if we subtract these two means we get these values. Corresponding we have to subtract these two values and get the del square y, and del cube y is nothing but subtracting these two values. This is the same value. So if we minus 0.003 minus into minus 0.003 means that minus getting plus, so minus into plus is cancelled each other, and all the terms are the same value. So it is the del cube y is 0 for all the values. Now we have to find the x value of now we have to find the first two derivatives. So our first value of x is 50. So 50 is in the forward. So we have to use the Newton's forward formula, for which u equal to 0, because we have to find the u value by u equal to x minus x naught divided by h. Here x and x naught are the same values, that is 50. So we have to use this formula with dy by dx with u equal to 0. If we use this formula means that is 1 by h del y naught minus 1 by 2 del square y naught plus 1 by 3 del cube y naught minus 1 by 4 del power 4 y naught. This is the formula for Newton's forward formula where u equal to 0. So if we substitute here, h value is nothing but the interval between these values. So the interval between this value is 1. So our h is 1, and del y naught is nothing but del. Here this is the y naught, this is del y naught, del square y naught, del cube y naught, this first value for forward. Backward means we have to see this like so. Del y naught is 0.02244 and del square y naught is minus 0.003. So if we put this values, so 1 minus 1 by 2 minus these values, and del cube is we know that 0, then the higher terms will be 0, because del cube also 0, the higher terms will also be 0. So if we minus and add means we get this final value. Next we have to find the second derivative. So the second derivative is 1 by h square del square y naught minus del cube y naught plus 11 by 12 del power 4 y naught. So if we substitute the values, that is 1 divided by 1, our h value is 1, so 1 divided by 1. Here del square y naught is, we know that the del square y naught is minus 0.003 and del cube is 0. So if we if we substitute and subtract means we get these values, and then Newton's backward formula. For why we using Newton's backward formula means because the x value is 56 is at the last, so we have to use the Newton's backward formula. If the finding value for x is in the forward, so we have to use the Newton's forward formula. If it is in the back side, so we have to use the Newton's backward formula. So if we also had that formula, because for Newton's backward we use u value, that is x minus x naught divided by h, and for backward we use v value, that is x minus xn divided by h. So here we have the formula. If we substitute the values for this, we have to use the backward delta yn plus 1 by 2, the same formula. Here we have the alternate plus and minus, so here we have the full terms are in the plus terms. So then what we do means del y naught is, here is a del y, so del y naught yn is we have to see in the backward, so it is a backward, so we have to see in the backward terms. So if we substitute whatever the needed values, del yn is this one 0.0229, so 0.0229 plus 1 by 2, del square yn is minus 0.003. so if we substitute means and we add and subtract means we get this answer. Likewise also del square y divided by dx square x equal to xn. Here xn is nothing but that 56, both x and xn are equal, so we had a formula. If we substitute the needed values means we get this answer. Hope you all understand, and thank you.